Are you tired of running ad campaigns that just don't seem to get any traction? Do you find yourself constantly guessing which ads are working and which ones aren't? Well, the answer is simple: conversion tracking. Hey, my name is Hassan. I'm all about digital marketing and data analytics, and I'm here to show you how to set up LinkedIn Insight tag on your WordPress website. I will demonstrate easy ways to set it up so you can choose which method works best for you. And that's not all. In the second part of the video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to set up conversion tracking that's tailor-made for generating real estate leads through LinkedIn ads. You can follow my guide and set up conversion tracking for any kind of business plan. Now I know what are you thinking. Conversion tracking? That sounds so complicated. But trust me, it's not. In fact, it's one of the most important things you can do for your ad campaigns. See, the thing is, as a small business owner, your time and resources are limited. You can't afford to waste money on ads that aren't working. That's where conversion tracking comes in. With conversion tracking, you can increase your conversion rates, improve your customer engagement, and ultimately drive more sales. And for all you freelancers out there, offering conversion tracking services can be a great way to earn some extra cash. Trust me, this is a service that businesses are willing to pay for. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you will never miss out on the latest tips and tricks to level up your digital marketing game. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up LinkedIn Insight tag on your WordPress.
The first thing you need to do is to make sure you have LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account. Once you got that, click on Advertise and head to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Select your ad account and click on Analyze. Select Insight tag from the drop-down menu to access your tracking code. You will see three options for installing the tag. I will install the tag myself, I will send the tag to a developer, and I will choose a tag manager. Right now we will focus on the first option. Simply move your cursor to the code snippet box and click to copy the code. Now head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. First you should install the VP Code plugin. This will allow you to embed Insight tag on your website. To do that, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in VP Code and look for plugins with the same name. VP Code insert headers and footer. Install it and activate it. After you have installed and activated the plugin, refresh the page and find the code snippet section in the left menu bar. Click on headers and footer and paste the code snippet you copied earlier from LinkedIn in the footer box. Click Save Changes and you are done. Now head back to your LinkedIn Campaign Manager and go to Conversion Tracking. Under Data Sources, you will see your tag marked as either red or green, verified or unverified. It can take up to 24 hours to verify your tag, so be patient.
And that's it. See, it's not so hard after all. By following these simple steps, you are able to set up LinkedIn Insights on your WordPress website. Now, I will be taking a deep dive into Google Tag and WordPress. I will be giving you a comprehensive guide on how to set up LinkedIn Insights through Google Tag Manager for conversion tracking. And I promise to make it fun and easy to understand.
Click Insight tag under the Analyze section and select I will use a tag manager. Take a look at this partner ID code. It's super important because it's the key to connecting your LinkedIn Insight tag with Google Tag Manager. We will use this partner ID later. Next, you will need a Google Tag Manager account to set up tracking on your website. After you have created your account, simply log into Google Tag Manager and create an account if you haven't already done so. Enter your business name, your country, and your domain name. Choose the target platform. In our case, it will be web, and click Create. Once you are in, here's what your workspace would look like. You will need to install the Google Tag Manager code on your WordPress site. You can do this by pasting the code in the header and body section of your website. To do this, click on the code button at the top, then simply click on the first section of code to copy the snippet. Now let's see how to install the code snippet in WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin panel, click on code snippet and then go to headers and footers. Paste the code from GTM into the header section of WordPress. Then copy the remaining code from GTM and paste it into the body section in WordPress. Hit Save Changes and congratulations, you have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your website. But the setup is not complete yet. Remember the unique ID from LinkedIn Insight Tag? Yes, you do. Now go back to LinkedIn Campaign Manager and copy your unique partner ID by clicking on it. Now head back to Google Tag Manager. Click on Tags and then click the New button to open a list of available tags in GTM. Click on Tag Configuration and type LinkedIn in the search box. This will bring up our desired tags. Select LinkedIn Insights and under Tag Configuration, paste the unique partner ID you got from LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Next, click on Triggering.
A trigger is what tells Google Tag Manager when to track a conversion event. For example, you could set up a trigger when a user submits a form on your website. For this tutorial, set it as All Pages View, hit Save, and it will ask you to rename it. So rename it as LinkedIn Insight All Pages View, then hit Save again. Click Submit, enter a version name you can remember, LinkedIn Insight installed, and click Publish. And that's it. You have successfully set up LinkedIn Insight tag in WordPress. Now you can easily track conversion events.
To test our LinkedIn tag, let's begin by reopening your website and exploring a few pages. This will trigger events to Google Tag Manager, which will then forward those event reports to our LinkedIn Insight tag. Now head back to your LinkedIn Campaign Manager and go to Conversion Tracking. Under Data Sources, you will see this tag is marked as green or active. This confirms that LinkedIn Insight tag has been successfully installed on our WordPress website.
And that's it. You have successfully set up LinkedIn Insight tag in WordPress. Now you can easily track conversion events. Now you might be wondering why using Google Tag with WordPress is better than just installing the LinkedIn tag directly. Good question. Here's why Google Tag Manager is awesome. Firstly, with Google Tag, you can track a lot of different events on your website, not just LinkedIn conversions. This means you get a complete picture of website performance and what users are up to. Secondly, Google Tag Manager allows you to create complex rules and triggers for tracking conversion events. So you can track exactly the events that matter most to your business. And lastly, when you use Google Analytics with Google Tag, you can get even more insights into your website performance and user behavior. All of this data can help you optimize your ad campaigns and get a better return on investment. Before you go, make sure to catch the second part of this video, where I will be showing you how to set up conversion tracking events for LinkedIn ads with a step-by-step guide. I will include the link in the description for you. And hey, if you are not up for handling all this technical stuff yourself, no worries, my team and I are here to save the day. We can set up conversion tracking and run ads for you. So you can sit back, relax and let us handle the heavy lifting. Book a free consultation and get in touch with us. I will put the link in the description for you. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, follow and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I will catch you soon in the next video.